Did you know Palantir's latest earnings report revealed more than just numbers? Behind the scenes, there are hidden growth drivers fueling their success. Drivers most people are completely overlooking. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about what's next for this data giant, stick around. In this video, we'll break down the key factors driving Palantir's growth, from government contracts to AI innovation, and why this could be a game changer for the company's future. Let's dive in. Power of government contracts. Let's start with one of Palantir's most significant growth drivers, government contracts. Palantir has long been a trusted partner for government agencies, and their latest earnings report shows this segment is stronger than ever. With increasing demand for data analytics in defense, healthcare, and public safety, Palantir's software platforms like Gotham and Foundry are becoming indispensable. For example, the U.S. Department of Defense has expanded its use of Palantir's tools for mission planning and logistics. Similarly, healthcare agencies are leveraging their platforms to manage complex data during crises like the COVID-19 pandemic. These contracts not only provide steady revenue, but also validate the company's ability to handle mission-critical operations. What's even more impressive is the scalability of these partnerships. As governments worldwide modernize their infrastructure, Palantir is well positioned to capture a larger share of this market. This isn't just about short-term gains, it's about building a foundation for sustained growth. Commercial sector expansion. Next up, let's talk about Palantir's commercial sector growth. While government contracts have been their bread and butter, the company is making serious strides in the private sector. Their latest earnings highlight a surge in commercial revenue, driven by industries like manufacturing, finance, and energy. Take manufacturing, for instance. Companies are using Palantir's Foundry platform to optimize supply chains, reduce downtime, and improve production efficiency. In finance, their tools are helping institutions detect fraud and manage risk more effectively. And in the energy sector, Palantir's software is being used to streamline operations and reduce costs. This diversification is crucial because it reduces reliance on government contracts and opens up new revenue streams. It's a smart move that positions Palantir for long-term growth. Plus, as more industries embrace data-driven decision-making, Palantir's commercial opportunities will only continue to expand. Innovation and AI integration. Now let's dive into what's truly setting Palantir apart. Innovation and AI integration. Palantir has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence, and it's paying off. Their platforms are now smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever. This isn't just about flashy tech, it's about solving real-world problems. For example, their AI-powered tools are being used to predict supply chain disruptions, optimize logistics, and even combat fraud. In healthcare, Palantir's AI capabilities are helping researchers analyze vast data sets to accelerate drug discovery. And in defense, their predictive analytics are improving mission outcomes. What's exciting is how Palantir is democratizing AI. Their platforms allow non-technical users to harness the power of AI without needing a team of data scientists. This focus on innovation not only enhances their product offerings, but also strengthens their competitive edge in a crowded market. Strategic partnerships and global reach. Another key growth driver for Palantir is their strategic partnerships and global reach. The company has been forging alliances with major players in tech, healthcare, and beyond. For instance, their collaboration with Amazon Web Services, AWS, has made their platforms more accessible to businesses worldwide. Additionally, Palantir is expanding its footprint in international markets. From Europe to Asia, governments and corporations are adopting their solutions to tackle complex challenges. This global expansion not only diversifies their revenue base, but also solidifies their position as a leader in the data analytics space. Financial health and future outlook. Finally, let's talk about Palantir's financial health and future outlook. Their latest earnings report shows strong revenue growth, improved profitability, and a robust balance sheet. This financial stability allows them to invest in R&D, pursue strategic acquisitions, and explore new markets. Looking ahead, Palantir's focus on AI, commercial expansion, and global partnerships positions them for sustained growth. While challenges like competition and regulatory scrutiny remain, the company's innovative approach and strong execution give them a clear edge. So, there you have it, the hidden growth drivers behind Palantir's latest earnings report. From expanding government contracts to commercial sector success, cutting-edge AI innovation, and global partnerships, Palantir is positioning itself as a leader in the data analytics space. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insights like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.